Hey! Oh! That year when music was music. Time na money. If you not hear anything for the whole song,
Just
you go remember time na money.
That's so.
Not be all these ones there these days. Take banana till you go yo. Take banana till you go yo. Take banana till you go yo. What are you telling? Is here that zoo?
What are you taking?
What are you taking? And the girls they dance. Hey, banana, banana. What is wrong with you? Yeah. Well, any which way, we welcome everybody. Come the late night show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Come the show. How una day take go, and I hope say everybody they make too much brain. For me, beautiful day so far. Even though we are still looking up to God for so many things to accomplish in the month of March, it's still the early part of the month. You understand? So things can still be a shift.
It still be what?
The early part of the month.
What you know today's date be?
Now, what's today's date again?
Right now 20.
20? You don't reach 20?
Bless you, don't reach.
Hey, 19. Look at your head. You are a late comer. Man, anything can happen at the last minute.
Yes,
you understand me now?
true.
It is not over until it's over.
Over.
This month of March, we are marching into great things.
Nah, sir.
You understand me now?
Nah, sir.
Yeah, and they go spiritual now.
Nah, sir.
Not the joke. Oh. All right, so we get correct guests inside the building today. First, my name, Ogbolor. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. I love you too. I love you. One that will do this, they just throw me, all those things that they throw people for stage.
I go try.
You fit throw your own. If you try, yeah, easy beat. Don't go throw boxers, give me, don't faint me, yeah. What you define for back? What you want to bring out?
No.
Not try yourself. Okay, so quickly, tonight we get different guests inside the building. Today, Thursday, you say Thursday, we always do new things onto people that we talk say, now they be the original star. The other time we get one other guy we say na him be Flavor. The other time we get one we come he say na she be Sabi. Last week you can't get the one we come talk say na him be solid star. Today we get somebody else today we say na him be the original Banky.
No, but wait, the real star come now. Should be Juliet Ibrahim not come the other day.
No, Juliet Ibrahim come. And I should be the real
So
one.
why you can't they doubt now? Say our guest today now.
No, not beside the doubt because people these days if they say one they come, I know they know again.
Believe.
Because okay, make I believe based on what easy be talk. Me I go believe say that the real Banky W now go throw forth today. All right, and at the same time come get another veteran in the industry. It's our correct bros like this. If you see, I'm going to say, don't take in the ministry. You have take. Now they start all this one, they do like this. So then they go show us road. They call them veteran onto a modeling, onto a actor, onto a broadcasting, onto every MC, compare, every. Now they start this whole thing, and the name now MC Obi Heart. They will toss for inside the building like this. And they'll come get one other guy, slow Shane. You can't do show yourself for today. So we're not go be the judge for a performance. You understand me now? So still on the wheels of steel, I get my guy, my G, my baddest DJ in the land, DJ Easy Beat. So take you out. They don't even show you for screen just now, because they say you are not.
You see me now. You see me.
No, you are too full of yourself. You are too full of yourself. Your shoulder is like this now. Now they make you they grab every day. You're proud anyhow. You're proud. All right, so on this note, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start every on top of the show this night. We're not go anywhere. Tell somebody, say the show don't start. All right? Now the late night show, and we're not go anywhere. We come back. Now I go no say I don't old though.
No, you don't old.
Not be joke oh. All this shit that y'all come outside before all this one they come they pass. MCM y'all come out from nowhere. Boom! Clear. Can't touch it. Don't.
I know that song don't do it, man.
All right, now we don't enter the time what would they call the segment, what would they call the Coco. Easy. Okay. Now, some things supposed to be private things. Some things supposed to be public things. For everybody, when they like to go to all those pornographic sites. Now be all those websites where they do touchlighting things. You supposed to keep it to yourself. You understand? Some place they will say it is illegal.
Okay.
Especially when you're inside the professional institution or building. 3 judges for you, Bodo. Judges, so not be say just anyhow. Judges, not just lawyer or one small
judge.
Judge. They don't sack them. For Bodo. Sack them like this. Say they watch pornography for their office.
Career don't go.
Their career just boom. For inside office, so for watching these things. They say no, say what they do bad, but why you go to watch them inside the office there?
They don't want them before.
See, they don't need to warn you, say some things not too good.
Okay, maybe they don't forget some kind.
Maybe you
don't support that.
You
kind
understand?
Thing.
And some people now, just be like say you they work for here now, as you do your DJ work. Instead make you they play your DJ something, you they watch things for that side. They say, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know, coffee they concentrate. I say those judges there now like this, they go down, they lose different court case. Because of distraction from a torchlighting website.
That's not the professional at all.
You're not professional now.
Not the professional at all.
Yes, because you are supposed to leave office things to be office things.
Phone there, you use your phone. If you didn't come to hold you where, so you must die there. If you now,
okay.
That's say you can go to use office and now office and material they go use and I believe I make our gas,
They talk like who get experience for this thing.
No. I just tell you, I didn't think they take me. Why you go use office material to go run that kind of
Okay, so you suppose they use
at least if the thing to hold them. And you understand?
What thing they to hold them?
They are grown.
Even me, I don't go to suggest say maybe person they go on those websites. Just go marry and they're all right. Then you can continue to do finish. You are okay. When you they go website, go the and even medically, they thought say not too good medically. Say not too good like that. But even for those judges now, they don't collect. Sorry. So if they watch this film now, I say they watch this film. If they watch this show, you watch this show now. I know say this kind of things I be do you well. Some now for church For I see you. They don't catch one guy before for one church. Now they operate their this thing, what do they call them again? All those when they show the Bible verse and scripture for screen projector. As the guy now they do, for night, I think when they watch the thing, he don't know say he don't leave CD inside. As just on the projector, for church, hey, yeah. If you see action film,
and I get there, you don't know where off day.
Off lost. Where the off? You know anything fit happen. You get people don't lose work now. Some people now the thing they cause wahala for their house. So please make sure say you keep all of your private things very very private. Thank you very much. Now. Ladies and gentlemen, now this one are the Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
All right, this one now concern invention. Different things now they don't invent.
Okay.
Some days back, I said they don't invent one particular kind of motor where they use butu.
What do you mean butu? Shit.
They say they do the fuel. So no need for refuel now. They only pack inside this thing. Butu, so butu go they wind everything. My fear for that particular invention be say. From the exhaust pipe now. That means the boss go there every time area. But the can't talk say for that side, they smell. I say now because now grass they chop.
Okay.
My brother, you come this side of the world now. They come you where they chop fufu, this one they chop inyo, now they chop this thing. They
buffet, amala, all of them.
Nkwabi, everything. They can't put everything together. Can't put our Makaye, the whole Lagos is smell nonsense.
Finally, you can't even hold up.
I tell you they get hold up for this country. The hold up go wicked.
And you're not gonna get AC beside your motor. Now you can't wind down.
You're the you say people the quarrel for inside go slow. Okay, what's wrong with you? What do you give your motor? What do they worry you now? They pause my own motor now. While I go they happen. Not being you people can't reason again. No, now they don't come invent wristwatch. We go feed they tell you how long you go need to live for this world.
Based on your whole life.
Yeah. The wristwatch now, they say the designer more based on this Apple things them. They can't reason the whole thing say, man, this wristwatch now going to tell you how long you got to live. If you can't they live some kind of life not too good, maybe you can't they drink the smoke, can't they do that, you just reduce more for your time in the game.
The wristwatch will just reduce them for you.
Yeah, they say you just reduce them for you like this. Just say minus 20. But they make sense, yeah, but some things just they go too much.
Don't they go too much?
Don't they go too much, you understand?
Time,
my brother. Any time from now, if you just hear the song, Papa, make una come house, all about your poem. It go too good to see you for that shout.
Yeah,
you understand?
Brother, I
so,
tell you.
But any which way, as the whole thing be like this now. now very very good invention onto the whole P. But still, we go still dey hear from them. Make we know everything go take. You understand? Your wristwatch you just did. I want to see the one we go dey. Which kind of invention you for like see for wristwatch?
Don't go tell you the kind of business what you need to do. We go tell you say just do this one you must make am.
That kind listen now. I for like wristwatch we go dey tell me where the money dey.
Where the money?
Not be just the business. Where the money dey? Don't carry waka go this street now. You go see money for ground. 5 million.
Wetin happen?
No, na be if it happen though.
Gone you go buy.
Gone. Onto robbery things.
Yes, you go know where the money dey.
All right. So while the people they reason to come, they give us new invention. We dey hope say our people for this part of the world too, they reason to make new things. No be say we just sit down. They think people do their own before we come they collect. So make we say they think of things what we invent. Is it between
yes, I feel you.
Invent something.
I feel you.
Invent something.
Yeah, so
all right, not be only witchcraft.
Be industrious.
Be industrious and be innovative.
Innovative.
Thank you very much.
So.
All right, on this P, we'll come out for the cocoa and on top of this level. After this one now, we go bring in our Banky W. Make we see. Is it a Banky W or is that a Banky W? All right, so make we go at W Late Night Show for Twitter. Reach there, give us your own gist, what you feel about this topic, and then what you feel about our Banky W. We go enter inside the building right now. So easy bit, take us on this break. They come back. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome now still the late night show. You feel free to yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm gonna love you, baby. Okay, so the hour and the moment you have come for me to reveal to you the somebody who are in the building to come and follow us talking the Banky WP. All right, so easy bitch, not ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you as I introduce Banky W. All right, now wow, Banky W.
Yeah, man.
Banky,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, see wahala. Blood of God. Banky W. How far now?
Cool.
How everything they go now?
Yeah, fine. Everything's okay.
Easy bit. I don't even know where to start from again. No. How the ministry for you?
Well, the ministry is okay, moving.
The ministry they move well, abi?
Yeah, they move well. I tell you.
No, wait. Now, make I can't go back to the original me now because for this particular thing now, Anya Nacha red. My eye dey red very well. You understand? Because I not gonna know who can be the real and the original ones now these days. I not gonna know. It dey pain me for mine. You understand? Now Banky be this, abi? Because they come out glass. Now not that glass they deceive me now. Or my original eye, and they worry me now. How you take see the thing?
Then I'm making talk.
Bro.
Easy.
Bro.
Yeah.
Let me be the original.
Oh, now you be the original.
Yeah, they tell you. Now me be the original. That one where they see for Facebook, the guy they copy me.
What would they see for everywhere? For
they
TV,
tell you, for TV, for everywhere.
Did they copy you?
They tell you.
So give us the gist now. What can't really happen because we know say that one. It just come from somewhere. Just come do. Is that my umbrella?
Ebutemeta na my song go.
Oh, now your song.
Na my song. Now me get the song.
Oh, now you the original person.
Yes, now me the original person we get the song.
So what will happen now?
What happen be say me and the guy, you understand? We get one time where one of my friends we did for a studio together.
Yes. Okay,
just
now
relax,
they
just do things. Yeah. Now so I just see my say, what happen? I can't see say person just carry my music on the. I couldn't see him for here say, Ebutemeta. Now my song be that.
Yeah.
How the song take reach that place?
So he come Wellington. Where we sabi am as. Now you can move your music, Ebutemeta, from the beginning. So in Tifri don't start early.
You don't tell.
Yeah. So from there now, what's going to happen now? You know, come fit challenge and all those other things.
Not today.
Oh, you want to show yourself today?
I want to show myself today.
Okay.
Now this is why you see me say I come today. Can't show myself for today.
Yes. Now make sure you want exposed to everybody.
Exactly.
Say this guy is a fraudulent somebody.
I did tell you.
Okay, so EM easy. Abi? EME. And I be their own, can you all of them gather together, their brand and everything.
The record label.
So I can't be saying I can't get the record label things. You are still, how? Because even me, I'm confused.
That record label, a long thing, bro. A long thing.
Long thing dey inside.
A long thing dey inside, I tell you. Long thing dey inside.
But Banky W. Before we not say in the wear cap where. So we will call yabam. Say his head be like roll on. Say his head be like this thing. Say it be like what they go take the be like hair. You understand different things. So he can't come out the cap now. Say now make I see my issue. You say can't show everybody say man look at see people who carry big head they get big brain. Now I think they talk now. But you felt they use cap before. When you can't thief too.
I did use cap before. I did use cap well. I did use cap. In can't thief my own concept.
Oh, he thief your concept too.
Now my concept, all the thing when you see for TV when they show himself. Now all my concept.
Everything
when you see.
We are saying okay. We are saying give one girl belly. Now your concept too.
No.
Oh. I said everything now your concept now. So even if you join one group tomorrow, now see your concept too.
That will not be my concept.
So when they say everything like your concept, be very careful because different concepts day. Yeah. So now, which other song Banky WT from your hand? Because now it's a free something. Which other song Banky will move from your hand? Where we go play now? Where you go do performance for us?
You are the only one for me. Why can't you see?
This one, he don't sing now.
He don't sing now. Okay, you get
my song be that too.
Now it's your own.
Now my song.
Okay, what thing be they go through your head when you sing that song? When you can't thief. You are the only one. I remember I said that song I sing and that year when one get break my heart. It paid me. I dey feel the pain like this. Hey.
Well, I don't do.
Easy beat. They paid me.
Hey.
Now one day I just sit down for house. Can't they write the song because I still get so many songs. Why I still put for bank?
Where they still dey for?
Where they for bank? Why you still put down there?
Just leave am for that place.
Make you no come steal am.
Make you no come thief am
again. I dey tell you.
Sit down first. Even you say you can't even fail the exam when we say make you. But you said that your song, but you don't even sing anything for the song. Out of 100%, you sing just 90. You sing just 2%. Now I dey hear. Now that's I see for the
bro,
now you write that song.
Let me write the song because the song don't take. It don't take.
Because the guy went to Solid Star last week. Now so you still do. Now they do like this. Yeah. Finish now the yeah.
That song don't take. Wait, it don't take. Now old song where I don't write. It can't go steal them.
Easy bit. You get any other thing we want to find out that the real one be this, I mean that the fake.
Make it talk easy.
Okay, talk easy. You think that one too? Or are you talk the
everything join.
Are you talk the original one?
Easy.
That is sound like Igbo.
Easy.
It sound like Igbo language. Easy. Hey, I'm not gonna know what I want to do now to go. Okay. All right. Because I dey provoke quick. Last week, the Solid Star will come. I use bet for sure I come up for this place. So. Not be joke. But you are they fear to rush you now because if you go give me, if you go nod me, you get the kind of nod, you go nod me now, my destiny will just cut short. So I did very careful. But on behalf of the entire team for here, since now you be the original one, and you know can they wear cap again, we say we could give you helmet. You understand? As a gift from us to you, from us for the late night show for here, as cap no dey fit size you on our head again. As you know, say we no fit dey give na umbrella carry again and everything. From us to you, we give you this helmet. You understand? So, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So if you wear am sef o. So
yeah, I don't go wear am.
You don't go wear am. You just keep am. No wahala, no wahala. Because so wetin come be your plan now to come take back your position as the real Banky W?
This time around now to collect all my face and one-on-one. I want to see am one-on-one.
You want to see am one-on-one?
Yeah, I want to see am one-on-one.
All right. So as it be like this now, Banky Wellington. Banky W, in don't to challenge to
the
you
original.
Now. The original don't come and say you are a faking somebody. You have to go out there and come and show yourself because you as somebody like this now, you are not somebody. You understand me, Nabi?
Yeah.
So,
they provoke me as I did like this.
They provoke you like this.
I tell you.
Bros, no verse because guy with a verse now you put the anger on top me. I'm out don't finish with that. I know get power, but I get mouth. You understand? But no problem. Since now you be the real one, how do they reach you now? Maybe on top Facebook or something.
Well. They go on Facebook. If you want to reach me for Facebook, you go see Ojomo. Yeah, Daniel.
Ojomo Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay. Ojomo Daniel on top Facebook.
Yeah.
Now be the real Banky W, all right? So make sure say una go check him out on top that P. Banky W.
Okay.
People me I still get that to my mind like this, but I'm not still sure. Maybe you have Banky Q.
No.
Or Banky Blue.
W.
Wait, W day o. W still day o. Maybe you na W, na be 2U.
W.
I be W.
That may be the original.
All right, thank you very much. You joined us today. Okay, so God will bless your ministry. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so we'll continue with the show as Banky double you come out for inside the building, and thank you very much again. Please make sure say you wear that helmet well,
I go wear am.
on behalf of the late night show. All right, so we'll continue with the show. After this one, we'll bring our veteran. He go enter inside the building. Then we'll continue with every on top of the show. Easy beats.